Good morning. It's Monday morning, and I'm going to kick on this bike. It's been sitting since yesterday. This will be a cold start. I'm going to stroke on it a couple of times and see if I can get it to start. Um, Basically, we'll see. The day before yesterday, I started after about 4 kicks. Yesterday, took Kevin probably 10 or 15. I'm going to kick on it a few times, maybe try it with choke, without choke. I don't know what all. Anyway, let's see what happens. See if it remembers that it's a motorcycle and it's supposed to start. Here we go. Got power. Now, hang on while I put the safety straps on the front of the bike. All right, I had taken the safety straps off because I was going to move the bike off to the side when I decided I'll try to do a start and see how it goes. So let's see if I'm successful. If I am, you'll see this video. If I'm not, you won't. I'm going to start out with the choke on. Got my heavy boots on. Have my weak knee right here. You just try it with a little throttle. Let's try it without choke. Okay. It took a few kicks to get it started. Once I got it started, I turned the air air mixture, the pilot screw adjustment, the pilot jet adjustment, in about a little more than a quarter of a turn, and it seemed to settle down nicer. And now it's idling nicely and revving nicely. And we're going to let it go. If the client's going to pick it up on Wednesday, he's going to do the oil leak on the back of the oil bottle, the banjo bolt. And basically, I think that's all that. Oh, he's going to look into getting the tachometer repaired. A couple of commenters mentioned some places that do Smith's repair, which is really nice. So he'll take care of that. So bottom line is I'm going to let it go out of here on Wednesday. Okay. I think it's starting to remember that it's a motorcycle and it should start when somebody kicks on the kicker. Which, it sounds like I'm being facetious or not, but Kevin and I really believe that when bikes come in here that haven't run in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 years, they've been sitting in a corner. When we get them ready to go again, they have to remember that they're a bike, that they're a motorcycle. They got a motor in them. They've forgotten what they are. And it takes 2 or 3 kicks to get them going, and then they say, whoa, wait a minute, what is this? What is this? I'm waking up. What is this? And it takes a while. Let them run. And they catch on to the fact, hey, I'm a motorcycle. Cool. And then they start running really well. That's the fun way of thinking about it. The bottom line is they've been sitting forever. All kinds of little passages, and I don't know what all, tend to get nasty and corroded. And when you start them up again, things clean themselves out. Valves loosen up, piston rings loosen up, everything that was congealed in there loosens up, and they go back to starting pretty good. Now, I guess I kicked on that sucker about, 10, 12 times before it finally fired. And it did fire. Remember, I'd taken this choke off. So, anyway, I'm going to let it go. Client needs to start it regularly and ride it some and just get it to loosen up and remember that I'm a motorcycle and I got to go out and have some fun. And that is all. Now I'm going to put my bikes up on the lift and get them running, because I'm going to take them to that British Bikes on the Green thing on November 1st, I think, so they need to run. So that's what I'm going to do next. Later. Bye.